Karahan. Already familiar. That is after executing all the statement. Second case, just now you have seen that. Whenever the compiler came across return state, guys, you need to remember this point. Please don't do any mistakes in remembering this point. I'm requesting you. Once again, I am saying you. First case, after executing all the statements which were present inside a method. Second case, whenever the compiler came across return statement. Third one, like if there is an exception, which we'll be trying to discuss that later, guys, not right now. Okay, now. So, guys, our next topic is there are some key points which we need to remember regarding returning a value from a method. Yep, there are some key points. Once again, I'm saying you, there are some key points which we need to remember returning a value from a method. Now, guys, please listen. I'm going to say a small statement. Okay, tell me whether that is true or false. Small statement. Observe it, guys. You need to listen to this. If you are not listening, you will not understand the statement. Please listen. The statement is always return statement should be the last statement inside a method. Think once again. What I am saying is always return statement should be the last statement inside a method. Once again, always, guys, you know what is a method, right? You know what is a method. Okay, what I'm trying to say is always return statement should be the last statement inside a method. True or false? Are you sure? Are you sure? All right. Now, so just let me try to write it like a small statement. What I said just now, always return return statement should be the last statement inside a method. Inside a method, inside a method. So I have given you an option like true or false, and you said it is true. It is true. Now, all right, guys, in our Java there is this concept known as control statements. What is that concept? Control statements. Okay, now please check this, guys. When you are speaking about control statements, there are SELECTION selection statements, STATMENTS selection statements, ITERATION iteration statements, STATMENTS iteration statements, and third one is jump, STATMENTS jump statements. Three types of statements are there. What are these known as? These are control statements. In selection statements, we are having 4 types of selection statements are there. 4. If else, if else, if, and switch. In selection statements, we are having 4 types of selection statements are there. In iteration statements also, we are having 4. While, do while, for, and for each. 4 types of iteration statements. And do you know what, when you're coming to jump statements, basically there are only 3 jump statements are there, like break, continue, 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 and return. So basically these are control statements. So what are control statements, guys? Control statements are used to control the flow of our program execution. As simple as this. Regarding these control statements, we will be trying to discuss that very soon. Kindly please wait for it. But until now, I just want to discuss a small code about if else. Just a small code. Can I? Now guys, please observe here. I'm just trying to write a method, void method 2, like this. I want to make it like a parameterized method, int a. Parameterized method. Concentrate. I need your concentration. Okay. Now system.out.println, just simply I'm writing method 2 exec, or else method 2 called 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 method 2 called. Right. Now please tell me, how many types of control statements are there? How many? What are those? Selection, iteration, and jump. In selection statements, how many are there? 4. What are those? If else, and switch. Right now, what I am trying to do? If else. Right now, I am trying to go with if else. Guys, are you understanding me? Come on, concentrate, buddy. Concentrate. Now, if just simply, let me just try to write like this, and else like this, guys. Now, guys, remember, up to now I did not discuss anything about control statements. According to my opinion, you don't know anything about control statements. Okay? Now, if a is less than or equal to 10, if a is less than or equal to 10, system.out.println, if block executd executed, else system.out.println, else block executd executed like this. I mean, if block and else block. Very, very simple. Now, guys, please concentrate. I'm just trying to call, okay, just let me try to have a small like line, differentiation line like this. Okay, now AOBJ dot method 2, and I'm gonna give a value as 50. Right now, a value is 50. Concentrate. Right now, a value is 50. Listen. A value is 50. Which block will be getting executed? If block or else block? Else block. How do you know? This is a condition. I mean, normal English. Just basic normal English. If a is less than or equal to 10. Now, what is a value, guys? A value is 50 less than or equal to 10. No, the condition is false. If concentrate, if the condition is false, which block will be getting executed? Else block. When if block will be getting executed? If the condition is true. True. Am I right or wrong? Okay, please check this. Right click, run as Java application. So else block executed. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Please tell me. Right. Now, statement. Always return statement should be the last statement inside a method. That is my statement. And you said that is true. Read it slowly. Read it slowly, please. Always return statement should be the last statement inside a method. Okay, true. Why you are thinking true? Because whenever the compiler came across return statement, come on, what happens? Whenever the compiler came across return statement, immediately it will be coming back to the, you need to answer that. Once again, tell me, whenever the compiler came across return statement, what will happen? Immediate, come on, say with the word, start with the word immediately. Once again, tell me, whenever the compiler came across return statement, what will happen? Immediately it will be coming back to the remaining code after the return statement will not be executed by the compiler. Actually that is unreachable code. Am I right or wrong? Now let us come back. Now in this particular if else, come on, concentrate. In this particular if else, tell me one thing, guys. If the condition is true, will else block executes? Is there any chance? 0.1% chance? No. Come on, guys, yes or no? If the condition is false, will if block executes? At least for one. There is literally no chance. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Int. Method return type is int. Guys, don't even blink your eyes also. Please check it correctly. Method return type is int, and I am returning return something like 100, and return something like 200. Question: how many return statements I have written inside this method? Question: after return statement, did I write the code? Come on. Question: is return statement last inside a method? No, I'm still having some more code, right? Yes or no, guys? Now, listen to my statement, guys. Now tell me. Do you think that return statement should be the last statement inside a method? The answer is no. Now, this is the correct statement. Please listen to me correctly. Return statement, listen. Return statement need not to be the last statement inside a method, but it should be the last executable statement inside a method. It should be the last executable statement inside a method. So what do you mean by this executable statement? Right. Guys, right now in method 2, what is the last executable statement? Tell me. Line number. Tell me the line number. A value is 50. Okay, guys, line number 13. Okay, A value is 50. After that, system.println method 2 call will be printed. Come on, guys, tell me. Okay, once again, please check this. Okay. First, A value is 50. Okay. Now, line number 50 will be getting executed. Yes, it will be getting executed. Line number 16 will be getting executed. No. Condition here. Condition, yes. Yes, line number 16. If A is less than or equal to 10. Okay, the condition is false. As the condition is false, compiler will not execute this if block. Yes, directly it will be coming to else block. Now after that, line number 23 will be getting executed. Yes. Line number 24 will be getting executed. Yes. After that, do you have any executable statements? Exactly. For example, let me make A value as 5. Now tell me what is the last executable statement. Tell me the line number. Line number 19 is the last executable statement. Sir, what about else block? No, it will not be getting executed. Sir, why else block will not be getting executed? Condition here, condition is true. Right now, if you are giving 5, the condition is true. If the condition is true, else block will not be getting executed. I hope it's clear, guys, right? So, the point, online students, is it clear, guys? Online students, kindly please respond. Online students, you need to respond, guys. You need to respond in the chat, please. Please tell me. Please tell me, is it clear? Yes, very good, very good. Now, point. Just let me try to write the point here. Point is return statement. Return statement need not to be the last statement inside a method, but it should be the last executable statement. It should be the last executable statement, just like that. But it should be the last executable statement. A return statement need not to be the last statement inside a method, but it should be the last executable statement. That's it. Next point. Point number 2. Right. So guys, I'm having a small doubt. Okay, just void method 3 like this. Void method 3. Now just simply I'm just trying to write system.out.println method 3 called, and I'm keeping this statement right now in comment. Can I write like that? My question is, can I write a return statement inside a void method? That is my question. Yes or no? No. Why? Void method will not return anything. In line number 30, what I am returning? Am I returning anything in line number 30? I am not returning anything. I am just writing a return statement. Am I having any compile time error? No. Let me just try to call aobj dot method 3, aobj dot method 3 like that. Now right click, run as Java application, method 3 called. Just I'll do one thing. Now once again, right click, run as Java application, method 3 called. So my question is, can I write a return statement inside a void method? Yes, but I should not return anything. I can write a return statement, but I should not return anything. Now, is it mandatory to write a return statement inside a void method? No, it is not mandatory to write a return statement inside a void method. But if you want to write return statement also, you can write a return statement inside a void method without returning anything. Is it clear, guys? Let us go with that point also. It is not mandatory. It is not mandatory to write a return statement inside a void method. Inside a void method. But if we want to write a return statement inside a void method, we can do that without returning any value. Without returning any value, except void methods, all other methods 100% needs return statement. 100% needs return statement. Except void method, all other methods 100% needs a return statement. Last point, RETURN. A return type can be, how many options are there, guys? 4. What are those? Void plus all the 8 primitive data types plus classes plus objects. Like that. That's it. Done. Please have this program for me, please. Just a minute. Guys, I'll upload this in our Google Classroom. I'll upload this Paint. No issues. Be a little bit fast. Right. Done? Have the program for me, please. Go ahead. Please. use shortcuts. Please use shortcuts. Method 1 completed? No? Guys, if it is not completed, please tell me. I'll again scroll back. Okay? Don't sit idle. Please tell me. Don't write system.out.println. Just write SYSO. Time will be saved. Time will be covered. Don't forget to write the comments also, like unreachable code. Everyone, please make sure you write the code. Please make sure you write the code. Right. Okay. Is it done? Anyone writing, please raise your hands. Please raise. Okay, right. Right, guys. Kavita, if you are having a problem downloading and installing Java, kindly please go through our demo class last recording. I have already uploaded it in the Google Classroom. Please check with that. And when HTML Oracle classes also will be started, I'll upload it in Google Classroom, guys. Can you please wait for it? All right. I hope it's done, guys, for everyone. Is it done? Right. I'm removing. Right. Now, next side heading, understanding Java main method. Yes, guys, trust me when I say this. This is one of the most expected interview point of view question. Like, what is main method? Now, syntax of main method, guys. Public, static, 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 void, main, string, array, args like this. Public, static, void, main, and open braces and close braces. This is the syntax of main method. Right. Now we should be understanding why main method should be declared as public. Why always public? Why it should be declared as static? Why void? Why the name main? What is that string array args? Like every word by word, we'll be trying to discuss it right now. Okay. Now, first one, public. Just let me try to write like this: public. After that, static. After that, void. After that, main. After that, string array args. Like this. Okay. This is the syntax of main method. This is the syntax of main method. Now, let us try to understand why main method should be declared as public, static, void, main. Okay. Now, let me have three classes. Class A, class B. Let me go with class X. Three classes. Class A, class B, and class X, like this. Right. Now, class A. Just let me try to have a method, guys. Public, void, meth1. Method 1. System.out.println. Simply, I am writing class A method. Class A method. That's it. Now, can I call method 1 in class A? Yes or no? Tell me first what I need to write. Main method. First I need to write main method. Okay, M-A-I-N, main method. Okay, now inside my main method, tell me what I need to write first. What I need to create? Create an object for class A. Okay, new class A dot method 1. Can I call like this directly? Now right click, run as Java application. Class A method. No problem. Now same question. Can I call this method 1 in class B? Tell me what I need to do. First, what I need to write. Guys, always remember, if you want to execute a class, if you want to run a class, first you need to write main method. First you need to write main method. So just let me try to write main method. Okay. Now inside the main method, Tell me what I need to do. I need to create an object for class B. Class A or class B? New class A dot method 1. Now right click run as Java application. I'll be getting my output as class A method. Same question. Can I call this method 1 in class X? No. Can I call it or not? By using import. By using import, can I call it? Tell me first what I need to write. Main method. Okay, inside the main method, I'm trying to create an, okay, for example, new class A dot method 1. Am I going to get any error? Just let me try to remove this, and yes, I will be getting an error. Why I'm getting an error? Because class A and class X are present in two different packages. Class A is present in which package? Pack 1. Class X is present in which package? Pack 2. So completely two different packages, right? So I'll do one thing. Let me try to import import com dot pack 1 dot class A, like that. Let me execute. Right click run as Java application, like this. Now what is the access modifier for method 1? What is access modifier? Public. Come on guys, respond. Public. If a method is declared as public, can I access that method in the same class? If a method is declared as public, can I access that public method in the same class? Accessing means can I call? Yes? Yeah, I'm trying to call that method 1, right? Guys, please check this. I am calling my method 1 from class A. Yes. If a method is declared as public, can I call that public method from another class present in the same package? Yeah, I can do that. If a method is declared as public, can I call that public method from other class present in different package? Yes, I mean, by using import we can do that. Come on guys, yes or no? Now, what is the access modifier of method 1? Tell me. Tell me. What is the access modifier for method 1? Private. Private method. Can I access private method in the same class? No. Same class. Guys, please check this. Right click run as Java application. I can access. Can I access a private method in other class present in the same package? Yes, you are getting an error at line number 7. Please observe. Yes or no? So, can I access a private method in other class present in different package? No. What is the scope of private access modifier? The scope of private access modifier is only within the class. Are you understanding me, guys? Once again, guys, please respond. Once again, public method. Public method. If a method is declared as public, we can access that in the same class. Yes? Can we do that? Yes. Can we access a public method in other class present in the same package? Can we access a public method in other class present in different package? Yes. Private method. Right now I'm discussing about private method. What is the scope of private access modifier? The scope of private access modifier is only within the class. If a method is declared as private, I can access that private method only within the class. Can I access a private method in other class? No. In the same package? No. Can I access a private method in another class present in different package? No. For example, if I declare a method as default, if I declare a method as default, can I access a default method in the same class? Yes. Can I access a default method in the same package? Yes. Can I access a default method from another package? No. Please check this. Please check this. I'm removing this private, and now this is default. Default. Please check this. Same class. Fine. No problem. I'm getting the output. Other class present in the same package. Yes. I'm getting my output. Other class present in different package? No. Are you understanding me, guys? Now, tell me. What is the scope of default access modifier? Within the package. Exactly. Within the same package. So, guys, we are for protected also, we are having some restrictions. We'll discuss that later, not right now. What I want to say is, if a method is declared as public, we can access that public method anywhere. Are you going to accept it? Come on, guys, yes or no? Now, imagine, guys, correctly imagine. In a project, we will be having nearly 30 packages. Each package will be having 100 classes. Each package will be having 100 classes. There will be only one class which is having main method. Are you understanding me? In a project, there will be only one class which is having main method. All other classes should be able to access that main method. For example, please check this. Okay. We are having this project, guys. Okay. Just let me try to get it like this. Okay. Now, we are having this project training. Inside training, we are having some packages. Each package will be having some classes. Yes. Generally, when you are speaking about real-time projects, what will be happening, How many packages are there? Okay, fine. Let us think that there are 30 packages are there. Each package is having 100 classes. And class A is having main method. Only class A will be having main method. Only one class will be having main method. And that main method should be able to access by all other classes. So if the main method is declared as private, can you access? No. Default? No. Protected? No. So that is the only reason main method is declared as public. Did you understand, guys? Please tell me yes or no. Online students, guys, please respond. Online students, guys, kindly please respond, guys. Kindly please respond. Did you understand why main method should be declared as public? Yes. Now, just let me try to write like this. Because it should be available to all other classes inside the project. Because it should be available to all other classes inside the project. Once again, why main method should be declared as public? Because there will be only one main method inside a project. Only one main method, and that main method should be accessible to all other classes. So excluding public, if you are writing any other access modifier, main method will not be able to be accessed by other classes. So that is the only reason main method is declared as public. So if you need to understand this public concept, point number 1, public method. Can we access a public method in the same class? Can we access a public method in other class present in the same package? Can we access a public method in other class present in different package? That is the only reason main method is declared as public. It can be accessed anywhere. It can be accessed anywhere. I hope it's clear, guys. Right. Now, let us come back. Now, class A. Guys, I'm trying to have, please observe. No need to write the programs, previous programs. No need to write them, no issues. Again, I'll be discussing them, no issues. At the time of packages concept, I'll let you know, no issues. Now, let us come back to our class A. Now, I'm having two methods, guys. Void method 1. Sorry. Void method 1. System.out.println. INSTNC instance, or else just let me go with INSTNC instance method or normal method, both are same. Now instance method, normal method, concrete method, different terminologies. That's it. Now void void method 2 like this. Now system.out.println static method. Now, guys, please listen. Static, that is a keyword. Static is a keyword. In how many ways we can use the static? We can use the static in 3 ways. We can use static in 3 ways. First one, a variable can be declared as static. What? Variable. How many types of variables are there? How many? What are those? Instance, static, and local. Come on, guys. Go, gone. Is it present or gone? Still present? Please make it. Okay. So once again. How many types of variables are there? 3. What are those? Instance, static, and local. Now I'm speaking about static keyword.